Okay, so this is Santa's sleigh. I worked on last year, was the last time I pulled this out. I'll try and insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like. And this is how much I have done. I'm not sure what's up and what's down now, to be honest with you. I don't know if it goes this way or if it goes, maybe it goes this way. Anyway, so this is going to be my starting point on the sleigh. It does have some acrylic in there already, which is quite sparkly and shiny. Don't know if the camera's picking that up well enough, but there you go. And it's on a piece of pewter or smoky linen that I think is 32 count. And I'm stitching over 2. So I'm going to work on this today and see how many stitches I can get in. Okay, I've been stitching for a little while now. And I just realized I made an error in my counting, which doesn't happen very often because I usually, double check things as I'm going. But anyway, this was a spectacular error because I stitched in all of this red coming down here. It was actually going across here as well. And I went back to start adding in this red. And when I got to here, I realized, wait a minute, this is not lining up because there should be a space between this row and this lighter red stitch to the left. It should be either this dark red needs to be a row higher or this light red needs to be, further down. So when I started checking, I made the error here. Instead of 2 rows of 3 stitches, there's supposed to be 3 rows of 3 stitches, which means this is a row higher, which means that last stitch was a row higher, which means this one is a row higher, which puts all of these ones a row higher because they've all been counted off of that stitch there. So now I was thinking maybe I could fudge it, but because this is a ribbon that comes down to the bottom of the sleigh and comes across where the slide part of the sleigh is, it's going to mess up this. So I can't really fudge it without it being noticeable, I don't think. So I have to pick out all of these stitches and restitch them in, adding in the extra row there, and then restitch these in. Oh, anyway, it is what it is. Back to work. Okay, so I've picked out all of this back to where I made my mistake. I've got a 3rd row going in here now. So I'm going to go grab a bite to eat and I'm going to stitch this back in and see if I can manage to restitch all of that and, I don't know, maybe get some more in before I have to turn in for the night. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I have managed to restitch in all of those stitches that I pulled out, plus I got this little bit of red in and I added in these other bits, and that's going to be it for me for today. I'm pleased with that, and I guess I'll see you tomorrow.